Okay, so I noticed that a few of my students in our math intervention class were having a little bit of an issue with number 2. So I wanted to really clearly identify this. Let's scroll up a little bit. Okay, and I'll get a little more light on this. All right. Alexander is building a fenced-in pen in his backyard for his dog as shown. Which expression represents the total amount of fencing in feet? Okay, so what we want to do, guys, is we want to count every single area here. I have my area 1, my 2, my 3, and then my 4. Okay, and what you know about rectangles and squares, but rectangles have 2 equal sides each. So I know that my 2 and 4 are going to be the same, and that my 1 and 3 will be the same. So I know that this guy is equal to x plus 13. He's equal to x and x. And that, as stated in the situation, x plus 13. So if I combine all my guys together, I'll write it out just to make it a little simpler on us. So x plus 13 plus x plus 13 plus x plus x. So I can count my x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's equal to 4 x's plus my other two groups of positive 13 equals 26. So I should have 4x plus 26 and mark that as my answer. B says, if the longer dimension of the rectangle is 28 feet, how many feet of fencing does Alexander need? So, going back to my problem, it's telling me that the longer piece, which is this guy down here, because he's obviously longer than our other little friend up here, I know that x plus 13 equals 28. So I need to solve for x and figure out, well, how big is this piece? How much is it? So let's find out. I'll take 13. I'm going to use my reciprocal because he is going underneath my equal sign. I get him down to 0 or 1, depending on how you want to look at it. And my x gets brought down, so I have x, equal sign gets brought down as well, equals 28 minus 13, which is equal to 15. So I have x equals 15. So I can use that to follow the rest of my rule and solve my problem. Okay, if there are any more questions, please send me an email or give me a call, and I can feel free to answer those and post online. Okay, thank you.